In Valmiera we have a lot of different sports, about 20 clubs of sports. One of the Valmiera's famous swimming pool is at Zvaigžņu Street 4. It's far from the center of the city. The swimming pool is near Valmiera's Pārgājus Gymnastic. At Valmiera we have two famous sports centers. Lots Vidzemes Olympic Center, Jāņa Daliņa Stadium. They are really far from Valmiera's center. The Jāņa Daliņa Stadium is at Daliņa Street 2 and it's near to the beach and stadium can keep 2,000 humans. It was opened at 1938 year. It's built for athletics and football matches. He did get silver medal at 1932 year in Los Angeles Olympic Games. He even beated some of the records. The Vidzemes Olympic Center is more modern and new than the Jāņa Daliņa Stadium. Vidzemes Olympic Center was opened in 2005 year. The ice hall or hockey rink can keep 550 humans.
In Latvia we have really long rivers and the longest of them is Gauja. In the second place we have Daugava. River Gauja is longer than River Daugava, but Daugava is wider than Gauja. Gauja is 452 kilometers long, but the other river is 352 kilometers long in Latvia and it keeps going over 1,000 kilometers. The biggest of lakes in Latvia is Lake Lubāns, but the deepest is Drīdzis. Lake Drīdzis is 63 meters deep. Obviously, Drīdzis is deeper than Lubāns, but Lubāns is bigger than Drīdzis. The Baltic Sea is the only sea that is surrounded around us. Baltic Sea is 1,610 kilometers long and 193 kilometers wide. That's crazy. The normal depth of the sea is 55 meters, but it can go down to 459 meters. Baltic Sea goes into the Atlantic Ocean.
Valmiera is a big city, so it has 9 schools. Valmieras second vidusskola, 5th vidusskola, Valmieras valsts ģimnāzija, Valmieras sākuma skola, Valmieras viestura vidusskola, Valmieras mūzikas skola, Valmieras mākslas vidusskola, Valmieras Pārgājus ģimnāzija, Vidzemes augstskola. We study in Valmieras sākuma skola. It's the most modern school in Valmiera. Valmieras sākuma skola was built in 2010. It is on Leon Paigles Street 42. Valmieras valsts ģimnāzija is the best school in Valmiera. There's good education for your life profession. It was built in 1920. It is near the Valmieras sākuma skola at Leon Paigles Street 40. Other schools aren't bad too, but there's not quite good education as Valmieras valsts ģimnāzija.
Restaurants in Valmiera: Rātas vārti, Jauna saule, Two Hesburgers, Agnese, Mellene, Valmiera muiža saules virtuve, and Walmart. Bistros in Valmiera is Bastions, Rimants, and Abrakadabra. The best restaurant in Valmiera is Rātas vārti and most expensive. We prefer better Valmiera muiža saules virtuve and Bistro Abrakadabra. Rātas vārti is the biggest restaurant in Valmiera.
First, it was stimulated by building first bridge over River Gauja in 1865. During first quarter of 20th century, Valmiera also became center of culture and education as many schools were opened in the town. Among them were Vidzeme Teachers Seminary, Women Gymnasium and Merchant School.
My story about my best experience in Valmiera is about the most modern school in Valmiera, Valmiera Sākuma School. I started the studies there when it was just opened. The school itself is actually really nice looking from outside and it even looks better inside. The inside of the school is really modern and everything in it is very colorful, so it gives a lot of nice emotions to the younger kids. The inside of the school is really modern and everything in it is colorful, so it gives a lot of nice emotions to the younger kids. The library is even better. If you have some lessons that aren't on the day, you can go to a little playground and play some games, do your homework, read books.
Valmiera is one of the biggest cities in Latvia. In Valmiera we have many interesting objects like mini golf, BMX track, Jāņģelniņa Sports Stadium, Valmieras Olympic Sports Center, trip with Gaujas tram which swims on water, a skate park, and much more. So that means we can do a lot of different sports and activities. In summer we can play volleyball and swim at Jāņģelniņa beach. In winter, one of the most students' favorite things is ice skating at Valmieras Olympic Center. I like my town because it's different and unique from many other Latvian cities. There are a lot of attractions and objects which always amaze us, no matter how much times we've been there. In Valmiera we have a lot of ways to travel. First of all, you can travel through the city by bus. Also, if you want to go somewhere in seconds, you can call the taxi. If you want to be more active and healthy, you can rent a bicycle if you don't have one. In summer there's an interesting tram which swims on water, so you can take the tour of that and enjoy the nature and beautiful views. But one of the most used transport on road is cars.
Baltic Sea goes into the Atlantic Ocean.
Ocean.
Obviously.
Nē, atkal.
Nice.
Nesmēj.
Obviously.
Obviously.
Kas
Labi. Elmes!
1610.
Obviously.
Ir šāds greizs.
Tu to buļi neizrunāt kā buļi.
Obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously.